5 seconds. Ready, start. Some people have talked about a big bilingual state, and for my part, I welcome it. I do not mind if Bombay is a city state. I do not mind if any chunk of territory were to go from one side to the other. Maybe there is no sense of provincialism in me. I regard economic and geographical factors as more important. But the thing that is really important is how linguistic minorities are to be treated. Boundaries are bound to overlap. Wherever you might draw them, there are bound to be bilingual and perhaps trilingual areas. How then are linguistic minorities to be treated? The House will remember that in the Commission's report there is a special reference in the concluding chapters to certain measures, certain protections, certain precautions, certain assurances, certain statutory provisions in regard to the linguistic minorities. I am anxious that these should be implemented. Any complaint that people speaking a certain language have not been given protection because they are in a minority must be removed altogether from India, and removed not merely by pious protestations but by active and precise instructions to that effect. All the 14 languages mentioned in our constitution are our national languages, not Hindi only. We have said that Hindi not because of any linguistic superiority but because it is spread over a large area and for other regions should be an all India language. It should for official purposes become an all India language gradually after a certain period, but all the 14 are national languages. We want to encourage them. The attitude that we can encourage one language by crushing others is completely wrong from the literary or the linguistic point of view. I am convinced that the development of any language in India leads to the development of others. I feel that any kind of application, letter, or petition that is presented to courts can be done in any of the 14 languages of India and no court should reject it. If that is so about every language of India, it should be so especially in regard to the actual languages spoken in a certain area. They should be given official position in that area. In applications are other matters. After all, government issues notice so that they must be understood not with the intention of encouraging or discouraging a language. A notice misunderstood is useless. Stop.